Here's a 2024 F-350. This is going to be the Lariat trim edition with the black appearance package. This F-350 Lariat has the star white metallic exterior paint, forward running boards, and the black appearance package. At the rear of this F-350 Super Duty, you have your 2.5-inch receiver, 4 and 7-point wire harness, backup camera and zone lighting, power assist lift gate, tailgate step, to give you easy access into the bed. Coming around the passenger side of this Super Duty, you do see this is going to be the FX4 off-road package. You'll just see those black appearance features from the badging and the wheels to the bumper up front. This F-350 has the 6.7 high output turbo diesel, giving you 500 horsepower and 1,200 foot-pounds of torque. Easy access to everything that you need to keep an eye on, from fluids and clear containers, easy accessible. Everything else, lead to a technician,